In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp. If you're looking to organize your client relationships, track leads, or manage sales processes, ClickUp makes it easy with customizable templates that help you get started quickly. Whether you're building a CRM for your sales team, managing client interactions, or simply keeping track of your workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive right in and set up your CRM in just a few minutes. First, start by navigating to the left-hand sidebar or your main workspace on the ClickUp home screen. This is where all of your projects and tasks are organized. Once you're there, look for the specific project where you'd like your CRM to live. Hover your mouse over that project and you'll notice 3 dots appear. This is the More Options or Settings menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. From the menu that pops up, select the Template option. This will open up a new section where you can choose from a variety of pre-made templates. Look for the button or link that says Browse Templates and click on it. This will take you to ClickUp's template gallery, where you can find templates designed for all sorts of workflows. Now, in the search bar at the top of the gallery, type in CRM, hit Enter, and you'll see a list of CRM templates appear. Take a moment to review the options. You can hover over each template for a quick preview, or click on any of them to get more details about what's included. Explore these templates to find the one that best matches your needs. Once you've found the perfect CRM template, click the Use Template button. Next, you'll be prompted to give your new CRM a name. Think of something relevant to its purpose, like Sales CRM or Client Tracker. Once you've entered a name, you'll have the opportunity to customize the template to better suit your needs. This might include adjusting statuses to reflect your sales stages, adding or removing fields to track specific data, or modifying other details to fit your workflow. When you're happy with your customizations, click Use Template again. This will apply the template and create your CRM section in your workspace. Now you'll have a fully functional CRM ready to go. Take a moment to review the structure of your new CRM. Look through its lists, views, and fields, and make sure everything aligns with how you want to manage contacts, track deal stages, and log interactions. If something doesn't quite fit, you can easily make adjustments. Rename sections, add custom fields, or even color code leads to make your CRM more intuitive and visually organized. Once everything is set up, you can start using your CRM. Begin by adding contacts, tracking workflows, and organizing your data. This is where your CRM comes to life, helping you stay on top of your relationships and ensuring that no detail gets lost. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. And that's it. Your CRM is now ready to help you manage your workflow more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.